What's going on? What's going on? Sky's the Limit here with an unboxing from Vans Digital Beats. This company is called Store Wide. What's the name? I will put all the information in the description. As always, music playing in the background. Vans Digital Beats, Neutral, Nigga, L Burner, Showtime Entertainment, YJ Arthur, Showtime Entertainment, DJ Vice, Neutral, Nigga, and other artists to come. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell, and become a part of the galaxy we call Sky's the Limit. If you would like to advertise with me on my channel, you can email me at skyzdalimit2018@gmail.com. Send me a sample of your product. I will do an unboxing like what I'm about to do. Give it a fair review, and I will do a commercial for you advertising the product to help you drum up business. So if you would like to see what I got from Vans Digital, tune into this video, and I'll see you in a few. What's going on? What's going on? Sky's the Limit here with an unboxing from Shop Urban Wide and Van Digital.com. So this is the website for the beats and what's the name. Okay, so what's the name? So we're gonna click that. And it takes you right to the website. Hold on, I'm letting it load up. Okay, so there you go. He has t-shirts and mixtapes and beats and all that. So I believe so. Yeah, these are the t-shirts, the hoodies, the long sleeve shirts, other shirts, the bucket hats, other t-shirts. So it's like several different stuff that's on there. So y'all, I will put all those informations in the description. So let's get right to it. So okay, so we have I'm not going to tell you. Y'all could do all. I believe this shirt is $36. I'm not going to blame Van Digital for why it took so long, but because of this coronavirus, it took a while to get here. So I didn't like that it took so long to ship, but I got it. So I got an extra large because I wasn't sure on the what's the name. So here I got with the keyboard. This is the cardinal red. I thought this was so dope. So I will do a commercial later, but I love it. Thank you, Van Digital, for my shirt. I love it. Nice quality, not cheap material. It even has the little logo thing. And the what's the name? The name of the company. Nice quality. Real nice. Printing's nice. So, I will do a commercial later wearing the shirt so y'all can see me wearing the shirt. But I love it. Thank you. So, yeah, shout out to him. I don't know why my music is not playing, but it is what it is. If you're not already a part of the galaxy we call Sky's the Limit, go ahead and hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell all so you can be notified when I upload a video. Also, if you would like to advertise with me on my channel, you can email me at Skyzdalimit2018@gmail.com. Send me a sample of your product, and I will do a commercial for you. I will do an unboxing so they can see my reaction of how I feel when I open up the package, and I will give it a fair review. As always, I need y'all to keep your head up, stay away from negativity, always live in your truth. Don't let nobody discourage you for what you plan on doing in life. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.